Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new Minecraft PSP update video. And in this update video, we'll be discussing the changes made in version 0.4 pre-release 4 of Minecraft for the PSP. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, as we get into this main menu, I'll be discussing the changes that I've made over the past basically few snapshots if you haven't been paying attention necessarily, or you're just tuning in for the actual pre-release itself. So, version 0.4 pre-release 4 includes many optimizations, reworks, and updates to the code and to the overall game as of version 0.4 pre-release 3. So on the main page, you'll be noticing that we have updated the font to a new, more Minecraftian type of font, which overall works pretty well, and it's actually pretty nice to use. Furthermore, if we go ahead and click play on the single player button, you will notice that you will actually be going into a loading screen, which basically is a little bit of a buffering time so that you don't have to sit in the world and just kind of wait around, waiting for the chunks to spawn in underneath you. And furthermore, when you get into the game, you'll notice this little animation of the chunks coming up to you. And as you go and generate through the world, you will notice that chunks will start popping up and appearing in a much smoother and nicer fashion than just popping into existence. Furthermore, we've added some basic lighting. Alongside, we've also added some of the fog effects into the game in order to make the game feel a little bit more realistic to the actual Minecraft game. And with the actual world itself, you should be able to notice that there have been some slight changes made since the last update, and these changes have basically been a complete rework of the terrain generation system. In this way, we now have multi-octave purlin noise, which creates a new type of basically terrain using persistence models and things like that in order to actually create a little bit more rougher and a little bit more Minecraftian sort of terrain. Furthermore, we've also updated the cave generation algorithm, which now makes much more connected and larger caves. And we've rebalanced the way that ores are spawning into the world as well in order to make everything a little bit nicer. Furthermore, the way that biomes, lakes, and rivers spawn have also been changed in a recent update, and that has actually enabled the world to look a lot better and to be a little bit more cohesive. I've also added several types of trees and made trees now spawn in logical locations, which has also improved the overall look and feel of the game. And while we're talking about the look and feel of the game, I've also been doing some optimizations, including frustum culling and others, which have reduced the number of vertices and faces being drawn, which has actually increased the FPS of the PSP to 30 to 60 FPS under normal running circumstances. So this puts us in a pretty good spot for version 0.4, which is launching on the 2nd of March 2020, which is a Monday, and we will be launching the full version 0.4, which will include saving support alongside media engine support in order to run faster and to be able to save the game and begin our journey into version 0.5. So I thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later with a Slender PSP stream.
With